Compared to those earphones on the market that focus on the high resolution and lack of tuning taste, Shozy has been known for its charming tuning. The Shozy B2 that we will talk about today is also an IEM that takes care of the musical expression. I've been listening to it for several months now, and I think the Shozy B2 is one of the best single dynamic driver IEMs I've heard this year. After talking to the founder of Shozy, I learned that the Shozy B2 is the final version after more than 2 years of design and many tests. Mr. Chan from Shozy rated the B2 as the most complete Shozy product recently. The Shozy B2 uses an all-metal shell, simple design and extremely excellent finish. You can feel that satisfaction when you carry it in your hand. Due to the structure of the dynamic driver, the front and rear parts of the IEM are vented to balance the air pressure inside. The vent on the curved panel looks like parts of an airplane. Perhaps this is why they chose the name B2. The size of the B2 is appropriate. The shell is not too thick and the nozzle is long enough to get a comfortable fit. In terms of sound, when paired with the original black copper wire, in general, the B2 has a wide and a full sound, and the distribution of the frequency bands is more skewed towards the mid and low frequencies. But nothing is missing in the high frequency part. Let's say it is softer in the upper side of the high extensions. Speaking of the low frequency, the bass came with excellent quantity and quality, speed and strength. And it not only delivers the strong feeling of energy, but also the rich details. Electronic music and live music sound exceptional on the Shozy B2. The mid-frequency part is the highlight of the Shozy B2. It's very full and lush, and performs very well for both male and female voices. The timbre and details of the high frequency are good. In most types of music, the highs are well projected. Thanks to its massive ventilation, the soundstage of the B2 is relatively large. The image is clear and complete. It is worth mentioning that the B2 comes with 3 pairs of nozzles, all equipped with different damping filters. After repeated comparisons, they do have an intuitive effect on the tuning. I personally like the factory setting, the titanium alloy nozzle, which sounds the most balanced to me. Following many attempts to pair with different cables, I would like to recommend this Linso Nymph cable to those who have the Shozy B2. The combination of the Shozy B2 and this graphene-coated Nymph cable provides some noticeable optimizations of mid and high frequencies, making the Shozy B2 even better. Since the concept of sound is very subjective, if you have tried some Shozy earphones, like the Form 1.4, and you like the full and luxurious tuning of it, the sound of the Shozy B2 is even more spectacular.